In this video, we will be covering how to remove the AirFLEX from its transport system and install onto the combine. To get started, prepare the transport by removing the lock pin and disconnecting the electrical plug from the front assembly. On the rear assembly, release the two lock pins by rotating them back and sliding towards each other. Turn the winch handle counterclockwise and remove the safety straps. If equipped, disconnect the rear brake connection. When mounting the header to a combine for the first time, it is recommended to move the feed drum fully forward to avoid contacting the feeder house chain. Slowly drive the combine forward and position so the top of the feeder house cradles the top cross member of the subframe. Raise the header and back away from the transport. Secure the header by engaging the feeder house locking mechanism. Connect the hydraulic multi-coupler, header power harness coming from the combine batteries, the combine header harness, and the display harness. The multi-coupler and harness design will vary per combine model. Take your time and carefully line up electrical connections to avoid damaging contact pins. Install the drive shafts to each side of the combine feeder house. Ensure the quick attach collar is fully locked. Then secure the drive shaft shields by installing the safety chains. The drawbar and rear transport can be hooked together to allow slow speed mobility. Lock the support bar in the horizontal position and slide into the drawbar axle. Secure in place with the provided pin. There is a quick overview of how to install the AirFLEX on a combine. If you have any further questions, please refer to your operator's manual or contact your local Honeybee dealer.